In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install AWS SAM. This tool is crucial for developers working with serverless applications as it allows for efficient building, testing, and deploying on AWS. Let's dive in and make sure you're set up properly. To begin, open your preferred browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you are most comfortable using. Once it's open, type AWS SAM CLI into the search bar. This search will direct you towards the tools you'll need from the official AWS documentation or other trusted sources, like the AWS SAM CLI GitHub repository. Next, you need to obtain the appropriate installer for your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, ensure you download the file that corresponds to your system. This step is crucial because each operating system has unique requirements. The AWS documentation or the GitHub repository will guide you to the correct installer version, often listed separately for each OS. Once you've downloaded the installer, you're ready to move on to installation. If you're using Windows, the download should be a file with an .msi extension. Locate this file in your Downloads folder or the designated location where your files typically save. Double-click this .msi file to launch the installation wizard. This wizard is your guide for the next few steps, offering on-screen instructions that are generally straightforward. Follow these instructions carefully to complete the installation of the AWS SAM CLI. After the installation is complete, you need to verify that everything is set up correctly. This is an important step to ensure your environment is ready for use. Open a new terminal if you're on Mac OS or Linux, or a command prompt if you're on Windows. Once open, type SAM version and press Enter. This command will prompt the CLI to display its version number. If you see a number pop up, congratulations. This indicates that your installation was successful and the AWS SAM CLI is ready for use. Throughout this process, it's important to ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you're following each step methodically. Checking the installation with the version command is critical, as it confirms the CLI was added to your system path correctly. In case there's an error in the command prompt, revisit the earlier steps to double-check your actions and ensure all paths are correct. And there you have it. You've successfully installed AWS SAM. Don't hesitate to pause the video as needed during any of these steps to ensure everything is correct, or rewind to catch any details you might have missed. Thanks for joining us, and happy coding on your serverless